Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about how to copy one string to another in C language with and without using the library function strcpy. At last, we will also learn how to copy string using pointer. Let's first start with the copy string using the library function. The strcpy function copies the string pointed by source, including the null character, to the destination. The strcpy function also returns the copied string. The strcpy function is defined in the header file string.h. Hash include string.h. To copy a string in C programming, you have to ask the user to enter the string, to store it in the first string variable, that is str1, and then copy it into the second string variable, that is str2. Using the strcpy function of the string.h library, the function strcpy takes two arguments. The value of the second argument gets copied to the first argument. First of all, inside the main function, declare two strings str1 and str2. Then with the help of printf function, display the message enter the string. Then with the help of gets function, input string 1. Then after that, with the help of printf function, display string 1. String 1 is equal to %s, and %s display the value of str1. Then apply strcpy function. Strcpy function takes two arguments which is of string type, str2, str1. The strcpy function copies the content of string 1 into string 2. Then with the help of printf function, display string 2. String 2 is equal to %s, and %s display the value of str2. Use /n for new line. Now run this code. After the execution of this code, first of all enter the string. Name of the string is hello. String 1 is hello and string 2 is also hello. Is to be printed onto the screen. First of all, get string input from the user using the gets function. Before using the gets function, include a string.h library. Then after that, copy the string into another variable, that is str2, using the strcpy function. The strcpy function takes two arguments. The first argument is the target variable where the string is going to be copied. The second argument is the source variable. The value of this variable is initialized to the target variable. And finally, print the value of both variables str1 and str2. Now in this code we use gets function for input, because if we use the scanf function and the user enter a string that contains space, then after the space all the string value get skipped. For example, if user input a string hello, welcome, hello welcome is the value of str1, and with strcpy function str1 is copied into str2. But if we use scanf function for input a string, now in this case enter the string. User input a string hello welcome. Now after processing, the output is hello only. If we use the scanf function and the user enter a string that contains spaces, then after the space all the string value get skipped. That's why we use gets function. Gets function is used to get the string. Second way to copy a string in C without using the strcpy function. Let's see the code. First of all, declare two string str1 and str2. str1 and str2 are two variables of string type. Then apply for loop for I is equal to 0. str1 of I not equal to null. And increase the value of I by 1. And inside the body of for loop, str2 of I is equal to str1 of I. Copy the content of str1 into str2. Then after that, do not forget to set a null terminated character at the end of string 2. str2 of I is equal to null. Then after that, with the help of printf function, display string 1 and string 2. String 1 is equal to %s and %s display the value of str1, display the value of str2. str1 is the source string and str2 is the target string. Run this code. After the execution of this code, first of all enter any string. Input string is hello. Then after processing, string 1 is hello and string 2 is also hello. First of all, get a string value using gets function. Then start the for loop at the first character of the given string str1 and continue until the null terminating character occur. Inside the for loop, copy each and every character of a given string, that is str1, to any string, that is str2, one by one. After exit from the for loop, insert a null terminated character at the end of the string str2, into which all the characters of a given string str1 are copied, and finally print the value of both the string with the help of printf function. Third way to copy a string in C programming using a pointer and user defined function. First of all, declare a function. How to declare a function? Return type, name of the function, void is a return type, copy str is the name of the function. Function takes two pointer arguments. The first argument is responsible for the target string and the second argument is responsible for the source string. Then inside the main function, declare two strings str1 and str2. After that, with the help of printf function, display the message enter the string. Then with gets function, input the value of str1. Then with the help of printf function, display string 1. Then call the function. How to call the function? Function name, copy str is the name of the function, and function takes two arguments str1 and str2. Then finally print the value of string 2. String 2 is equal to %s, and %s display the value of str2. Then define the function. How to define the function? Function return type, name of the function. Function takes two pointer arguments. The first argument is responsible for the target string and second one is for the source string. Char star tstr comma char star sstr. Then inside the body of copy str function, put the while condition, while star sstr, and inside the body of while loop, star tstr is equal to star sstr. Then increase the value of sstr by 1 and then increase the value of tstr by 1. When this condition is evaluated to be false, then control transfer to the out of loop, and finally do not forget to set a null terminated character at the end of the string, that is star tstr is equal to null. Copy str function takes two arguments. The first argument is the target string and second argument is the source string. First argument is the target string and second argument is the source string. Now run this code. After the execution of this code, first of all enter the string. String 1 is hello, and after processing string 2 is also hello. Copy str function copy the content of str1 in str2. In this code we have created a function that is copy str that has two pointer arguments. The first argument is responsible for the target string and the second one is for the source string. After calling the function copy str, the target string and source string get passed as an argument. And we know that the source string holds the value that the user enter at runtime, but the target string has some garbage value by default. Inside the body of copy str function, we have created a while loop that runs before the source string comes to its null terminated character, that is /0, or runs until the last character of the string. Inside the loop, we have copied each character one by one of the source string into the target string. After copying or initializing, we have incremented both the pointer variables for target and source string. And after completing the while loop, all the character of the source string gets copied to the target variable. As we have a pointer here, we only have to output the value of both string. There is one important point. Never forget to end the target string pointer variable with the null terminating character. Now again run this code. Input string is hello, welcome, and after processing, string 1 is hello welcome and string 2 is also hello welcome.